Hello students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. You should study math. Our topic for today is simple equation. What is a simple equation? Let us try to understand with the help of an example. Let us given that 4x plus 5 is equal to 65. There are two expressions, one is 4x plus 5, other is 65, connected with a sign of equal. If two expressions are connected with the sign of equal, then the equation is formed, and the expression on the left hand side of the equality is known as the left hand side of the equation. LHS is the short form of left hand side, and in our equation it is equal to 4x plus 5, and expression on the right side of the equation sign of equality is known as right hand side. RHS is the short form of right hand side, and it is equal to 65. So this is a simple equation with variable x, and condition is that 4 times of x plus 5 gives 65. So what is the equation? Definition of an equation. An equation is a condition on a variable. The condition that two expression on the left hand side and the right hand side of the sign of equality for at least one value of variable should be equal, and at least one of the expression must contain a variable. It may be x, y, z, any of the variable. 10y minus 20 is equal to 50 is also a simple equation in variable y, with left hand side is equal to 10y minus 20 and right hand side is 50. So if we interchange the left hand side and the right hand side, this means if 50 right here and 10y minus 20 right other side, the equation remains the same. This equation and this equation both are the same equation. Value of the equation does not change. So what is the equation? An equation is a condition on a variable. The condition that the two expression, that is expression on the left hand side of the sign of equality, should be equal to the expression on right hand side of the sign of the equality for at least one value of the x, and at least one of the expression must contain a variable. Now what is the solution of an equation? The value of the variable which makes the left hand side is equal to right hand side is known as the solution of the simple equation. Now an equation must have a sign of equality. If there is not a sign of equality between two expressions, then it is not an equation. Now our question is, check whether the given value of variable is a solution of the equation or not. Now equation given is x plus 3 is equal to 0. Value of x is given 3. Now left hand side is x plus 3. For x is equal to 3, put the value x is equal to 3 in the left hand side. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and for the x right hand side is 0. Left hand side is x is equal to 3, 6, and right hand side is 0. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So value of x is equal to 3 is not a solution of the given equation, because left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Similarly, let us take another value. Equation is same, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Left hand side is x plus 3. Value of x is minus 3. So first put the value x is equal to minus 3 in left hand side. Put x is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3. In place of x, what we have to put? Minus 3. Plus 3 is already there. So minus 3 plus 3 will be 0. Answer of right hand side is also 0. So for left hand side is equal to right hand side for x is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 is a solution of given equation. Now we can take some more example. M by 3 is equal to 2. Given value of m is minus 6. So let left hand side is m by 3. But we have to put m value is equal to minus 6. For m is equal to minus 6, left hand side will minus 6 by 3 is equal to minus 2. For m is equal to minus 6, right hand side is given 2. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. For m is equal to minus 6. So m is equal to minus 6 is not a solution of the equation, because for the solution left hand side should be equal to right hand. For example, 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. Given value of p is minus 4. Left hand side is 4p minus 3. Put p is equal to minus 4. So 4 into minus 4 minus 3. 4 into minus 4 is minus 16, minus 3, minus 19. So left hand side is minus 19, while the right hand side is given to be 13. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side, so p is equal to minus 4 is not the solution of given equation, because left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Now other type of questions which we are asked in the paper about the simple equation. Write the equation for the given statement. As for example, the sum of a number x and 4 is 9. What we have to do? We have to add the number x and 4. So what will the sum? X plus 4, and it should be equal to 9. So we will make a equation x plus 4 equal to 9. Similarly, another example, 7 times m plus 7 gets you 77. How to make 7 times m? This means multiply the m by 7. It will be 7m. Plus means plus 7. So 7 times m plus 7 is equal to 77. Gets you means equal to. Now similarly, another example we are taking, if you take away 6, take away means minus we have to do. We have taken something from 6 times of y. Taken away means minus we are doing. This means 6 times of y is 6y. Minus 6 we have to do, and we get means equal to 60. So the equation will be 6y minus 6 is equal to 60. This is the way of making equation. If you add 3 to 1/3 of a z, what we have to do? We have to add 3 to 1/3 of a z. How to make 1/3 of a z? This is z divided by 3 is 1/3 of a z. Add means plus. What we have to plus 3? We will get 30 means equal to 30. This means z by 3 plus 3 is equal to 30. This is the way to make equations from a statement. Now if equation is given and we have to make the statements. For example, p plus 4 is 15. We have to write the statement. What we are doing? P plus 4 as we are reading, or p is added to 4, or it can be also read as sum of p and 4. I am writing sum of p and 4 gives equal to, we can write gives 15. This is the only answer. We can take more examples. M by 5 is equal to 3. How to read it? It can be read m divided by 5. It can be read 1/5 of the m. Both are the same things. You can write anything. 1/5 of m is 3. Both are the same thing. Only statement you have to write for the given equation. Taking another example of equation also. One equation we have given which we have to write in statement. 3m by 5 is equal to 6. It is up to how you look at the equation. It can also be read as 3 times of m divided by 5 is equal to 6. or you can read 3/5 of a number m is equal to 6. Whatever you like you can write. Similarly, p by 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. So add 2 to the half of a p. Half means any number divided by 2. So add 2 to the half of a number p to get a 8. This can also be a statement for the given equation. This is how to represent a given equation in a statement.